Hello everyone. Now we study 12th lecture of electrostatics. In last lecture 11, all of you study electric dipole के लिए आपने स्टडी किया था वर्क डन ड्यू टू थीटा शिफ्ट. नाउ वी स्टडी इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल एनर्जी फॉर डाइपोल. देखें इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल एनर्जी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल. Electric potential energy defined as work due to replace an electric dipole from infinite to medium and adjust in medium. It is called electric potential energy for electric dipole. Then we can say initial work done to be used to replace and dipole from infinite to medium W1, then force into displacement 12 because against charge shift as 12 distance, therefore displacement 12 and it is obtained by it is mass F into 2L. F equal QE and 2L. It gives W equal minus 2QL into E, and it is the value of PE. It is first equation, and work done due to theta shift. Work done due to theta shift. W2 equal P1 minus cos theta. In last derivation all of you learn it, and therefore total work is used to potential energy W equal W1 plus का W2 by using the value of first equation first and second. By equation first and second we can say Q equal minus का P and plus P 1 minus cos theta after multiple P plus P minus का P cos theta after P equal minus का P cos theta. It is also known as P vector and E vector are vector quantities, therefore we can say P vector dot E vector. It is. And now we use electric potential energy of dipole system. It is. Let us create a dipole AB and CD are separated at small distance where minus q and plus q charge equal and against. Then it has P1 P2 electric dipole moment respectively. Then dipole AB generate electric intensity E1 and CD generate intensity E2 at a smaller distance. Therefore, intensity of electric field by dipole AB. Dipole AB is generate electric field E1 equal 1 upon axial position, so 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2 P1 upon RQ. It is the equation first. And similarly intensity of electric field by dipole CD. It is E2 equal 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2 P2 upon RQ. All of you stay tuned towards board and we follow that. Dipole AV is placed in intensity of electric field E2 and dipole CD is situated in electric field E1. Therefore, potential becomes to be potential energy U1 equal माइनस का P1 E2 vector and U2 equal P2 E1 vector. It is third equation and it is fourth. By equation third and fourth, U equal U1 equal U2 according to law of conservation of potential energy. We can say U equal U1 माइनस का P1 E2. After applying the value of E2 by equation second से वैल्यू प्राप्त का E2 तो रहा माइनस का P1 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into third 2 P2 upon RQ. Therefore, U equal minus का 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2 P1 P2 upon RQ. It is required value of potential energy of electric dipole systems. And now, related formula of force between them. फोर्स फाइंड करने के लिए आप फॉर्मूला जानते हैं. वर्क का जो फॉर्मूला होता है, वर्क के फॉर्मूले से आप डिफाइन करें. जैसे वर्क इक्वल टू होता है आपका फोर्स इनटू डिस्प्लेसमेंट स्टेप से. तो इसे आप जो है वर्क ऑब्टेन हो रहा है यहाँ पे, तो एफ इक्वल बना है यहाँ पे, वर्क पोटेंशियल एनर्जी के इक्वल डी के इक्वल रहा. तो यहाँ पे आप देखें जो वैल्यू आपको फॉर्म यहाँ पे होगी वो किस टाइप से आप कहेंगे, माइनस का डी यू अपॉन डी आर. एफ इक्वल माइनस का डी वाई बाई डी आर एंड वैल्यू ऑफ माइनस 1 अपॉन 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट 2 P1 P2 अपॉन आर क्यू. इट इज देन माइनस माइनस प्लस एफ becomes to be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. It is 2 P1 P2 and differentiate of 1 upon RQ. After differentiate 3 2 is 6 P1 P2 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 1 upon R square R4. It is also written as 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 6 P1 P2 upon R4. Because it has positive sign, therefore we can say force is the attraction. I hope you will study completely now. Thank you.